Can you write a poem in 3 minutes? Let's find out. Now, of course, you can use a central idea and you can then fill up that idea with unusual words and just combine words together to make your poem. But today we're going to do something even easier, and that is to use an AI tool to create a 100% original poem in under 3 minutes. So let's get started. I'm going to use Clockify to time this poem writer challenge. So we'll have an actual timer live demo, and I'm going to use Jarvis, is my favorite AI writer, and there'll be a link in the description of this video if you want to try it out for yourself to get a free trial. But let's get started. So let me start the timer. We're just going to write poem up here. I have no idea what kind of poem I'm going to write, but let's get started and write this poem in 3 minutes. So we'll push start, and you can see it's counting down right up here, or counting up, I should say. We got 4 seconds in. So I'm in the Jarvis dashboard. I'm just going to say here, content description. I already put this in here. Write a poem. Write a poem. And I'm going to use the tone of voice of Stephen King because I think that is funny. You can choose any kind of tone of voice that you want. And let's do the title of Rain. Let's spell it right, rain. So here we're at 31 seconds. Can we do it in 2 minutes and 30 seconds? I think so. Rain. So we're going to make this our heading and write a poem about rain in Stephen King's tone of voice. Just giving the AI writer a little bit of instruction. We're already almost at a minute, so let's see if we can write this poem in actually 2 minutes, but still under 3 minutes. So I'm just going to hit this compose button and see what Jarvis, the AI writer, gives us. Now, the better information you give Jarvis, the better poem that he is going to write for you. And let's go ahead and turn this more into a poem stanza. I guess rain, rain, go away, come again some other day. The kids don't like you, so please drive away. Rain is something everyone hates to see. Okay, let's see. So we have a minute 36 on the clock. Let's change this up a little bit, give Jarvis a little bit more information. That way we can see if we can do it. I'm actually going to change it from Stephen King. Let's do just a poet. We'll do tone of voice of a poet. And we're going to change this to, look, we're almost at 2 minutes. Can we do it in under a minute? Let's find out. Rain. I'm just going to give it a little bit of a starter. Softly pinks against the windows. Falling. Falling. Just give it some instructions and see if we can do it very quickly and get a decent poem. It's warm inside, but the world is wet outside. Sharp smells of mulch and fallen leaves. A sharp smell of rain not yet dried. When it falls on tree branches, it echoes the soft sound of tears that were shed long ago. All right, we're going to copy that. And look, we have a one stanza poem in under 3 minutes, right? So we can absolutely do this. We did it, guys. We're going to stop the clock here at 2 minutes and, what was it, 2 minutes? Where'd it go? 2 minutes and 57 seconds. We did this. We wrote this one stanza poem. You can see that you have to give Jarvis some instructions. Sometimes you have to change things up. And really, we wrote this one stanza poem in under 1 minute because of the initial mistakes that I made and also the problems that Jarvis had with this poem. But you can absolutely write a poem in under 3 minutes. Think about if you had more time to do this, how you could write a much longer poem if you wanted to. You could write any kind of poem in under 3 minutes, in under 5 minutes, in under 10 minutes, and definitely within an hour, you could write multiple poems. And just the thought, you could use this software to write lots of poems, publish it in a book, and yes, you can get paid for these poems because these poems are 100% original, 100% plagiarism free, written by Jarvis AI with your assistance, with your guidance. So if you like this video, please click the like button. If you appreciated that we could do this in under 3 minutes, then please hit the subscribe button. I really appreciate you hanging out for this video. I'll see you at the next one.